Uba Ernest Mauriu State President ke BJP Meghalaya uloang bakadai karai ki pajba ke jela Meghalaya ban ai tang arngut ki MLA na ka parti kata uba EL hack bat uba sanbor sulai ha ke election MLA arjar khatpra bat kumjuru ha ke election MLA arjar pulai. Uba Ernest Mauriu uloang baka BJP kala penyang kertong sau punyongot ha ke election MLA arjar khatpra bat menta ka kentipan la khambun bat kalale baharu ha ke baki kertong jongka kila poiru ha ki kerdan baar. Henry kilat pathai kubor kila ong baka jingyo vote lani ka vote share jo ka BJP house nam arjar khatpra kadai khandai point 100% bat menta kadang hiar kata sha ka khandai point lai 0% bat dei ban pej na ka vote share ban kenya ka jingle bha ka party ha ki election bat halor kane uba Ernest ong bakin sa pej bania.
Last election we have contested 47 seats and our share has gone to 9.7%.
9.6.
9.7 seats, 9.6. But now you see we have contest more than that. And we have, I think, around 9 places we stood second.
No, that's not the popular vote share. When you say you have performed well, we take into consideration the vote share. Your vote share has gone down actually.
Let us walk out. We have not walked out with that. We are doing well. We have fought 60 seats. And our vote share has gone up.
But the number
All
of
the candidate has been working hard to win. You say election is election. There's only two parts.
But we have only 2 MLAs. The party has not increased its numbers.
The mandate of the people they have not given us. So it depends on the people in our state. They have voted for others party. Again, back to square. We have 2 MLA now.
Is there any future of BJP in Meghalaya?
Yeah, you see, when the BJP was formed, right from Jansang till 1981, if you see that, in the first election, only 2 people win. That is late Atal Bihari Vajpayee and LK Advani. But constitutionally, after 10 years, after 15 years, they win. First time 2014, we win 280. But today we are having 303 MP.
But I'm saying in Meghalaya.
Yes, we have to work hard
To
to strengthen the organization. We are doing that so that people, people I think they want development. So one day they will regret. You see the river state like Assam, how the development has taken place.